Being able to remotely start our machines is a game changer for us. I have days where I work from home, but SimplyPrint makes it possible to get my work done even when I'm not here at the studio. Hi, I'm Carl, and I run the workshop here at SpeakerBee. We only have 3 printers here, and they're not always running. But when I need them, I really do need them. I can have peace of mind when any of my colleagues are using the machines. They can just open up the SimplyPrint slicer, pull in their 3D model they find online, and then I'm free from all the questions about how to use the machines, what material they should be using, what materials are on the machine, like all these things that takes a long time. SimplyPrint just takes care of that part. We use 3D printing a lot to get things done around here. We've used them to make on-air signs to show when the studios are in use. We've made tally lights to show when which camera is on. We use them to do simple signage to show people where things are in the building. So as you might be able to tell, 3D printing is a very big part of the workflow here. Our job is to come up with custom solutions that work for our clients. And SimplyPrint is really helping with that. Having features like the print queue and the inbuilt slicer makes it so much easier to get all these projects lined up and just get them all printed out as fast as humanly possible or mechanically possible.